Hello, good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do your research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market update. The overnight soybean oil March month contract rose 0.23 points to close higher at 46.22. Dalian active palm oil contracts on the yesterday night sessions dropped 26 points to close lower at 8698. And Malaysia's crude palm oil futures on previous sessions closed lower as investors took profit following two consecutive sessions of sharp gains driven by the reduced palm oil inventories and increasing oil price. FCPO March month contract dropped 63 points to close lower at 4437. Tracking the mixed performance in the river oil markets, the palm price could trade within a range. In the daily charts, the price is trading within the downwards consolidation channels, with the price recently reaching the resistance lines of downwards consolidations and see some sell down from here. And in the lower time frames, the shortened time frames, we see the price having the buying momentum. With the currently the price is having the technical corrections, and we see the price yesterday sessions touched the 4410-205, which is the previous support, and have some strong buying in this area. So now these levels still serve as the support level. So if the markets coming down again, so we potentially to see one more times this price to touch again. If able to support, then we might see the price to coming up again. And likely it will be remain in the upwards momentum. Beware of any sentiment changes of the sentiments. But the resistance is spotted at the top of the minor sideways consolidations around 4455 to 60. If this range could break above, then we might see further highs. So on morning sessions, our calls on CPO market, the long positions may be open above 4435 with the targets to set at 4460 to 4482, and the stop loss to set at 4415. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 4435 with the target to set at 4460 to 4482, and a stop loss to set at 4455. I'm so sorry, for short positions may be open below 4435 with the targets to set at 4407 to 4382 and the stop loss to set at 4455. Next, we're turning our focus to the index market. Alright, the Dow Jones Index rose 221 points to close higher at 42518. The S&P 500 inch up while the Nasdaq slipped following a volatile session on Tuesday as investors assess the inflation data and await quarterly earning reports to validate stock valuations and gauge the resilience of the US economy. The FCPO and FKLI saw a brief rebound before closing at its lowest level since June 2024 on Tuesday as market sentiment deteriorates. The stocks such as Sunway, YTL Power, and CMB Group weighed heavily on the index. FKI January months dropped 5.5 points to close lower at 1576 on previous sessions. In the FKI daily time frames, the markets is broke down from the sideways consolidations. The bottom 1582 to 83 and trading further lowers. New resistance range is following this morning sessions is spotted at 1572 to 73, so we here's. And previously, if you're looking at the shortened time frame, previously 1572 areas forming a double bottom, but it's unable to hold and further going down. So now we see the next support. We see the next support at the area of 1563 to 62. If this area is able to hold, we might see the buying at this area. The highest rebound slightly due 1572 to 71. That's still the resistance range at the moment. Sentiment remains bearish. Just beware of any sentiment change. So, and here's our wraps up for the analysis. Keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires seizing opportunities and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change. Protect your capital by setting up the appropriate stop loss and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.